Hi, my friend, it's Pat Sloan here. We have on our calendar today, our calendar is the tidy up. So I have a tidy up and then a little spin around of things that are going on, because when November 1st is a block project, and the Happy Everything one is pretty much fills the whole video. I don't really get to talk about other things, and it's like a kickoff month. It is my birthday month. So first of all, before the tidy up, I went and got sort of one or all of blocks that are from the sew along and put them up there. Mushrooms, yes. So it's kind of fun to see all that up there. Plus I want to give you a few other updates. But first, the tidy up. Because honestly, I need to do it. I need to take, after I do this video today, I have one big task for right after lunch, and then the afternoon, I need to just take a little break and figure things out in here and move things around. So my main focus, this is what I want you to do for your tidy up, pick a main focus, one sort of main area that you'll just clear it all the way down. Whether that means that if you have something you really don't know where it should go, put it somewhere else. Get one clear area, like a prime area that you like to work in, like your work table. So this one, I want to get to the AccuQuilt cutting machines easier, so I can once again cut with them. So I need to get all that cleared. Right, what you see here, I have a bunch of stuff to show you that's in the stacks, and those have been what's been sitting there, and that stuff underneath. It's all got to be cleared and put someplace else. I don't know where, but I got to find it out. That's my tidy up. So mail call. Sue sent me an awesome, yummy present. It's got something that I've never seen before, so that's always cool. So here's a darling card that Sue sent me, and she sent a few pieces of yummy fabric, one with little bees, and the bees are themed. These are thimbles. So the bees are a big theme here because her son and daughter-in-law are beekeepers, and they have honey and all kinds of yummy things that she sent me to try out. This is blueberry honey. How cool is that? So they also have these like pixie sticks. So there's honey, and this one's chocolate, but there's the honey one. So I'm gonna make a cup of tea today and put some honey in it. They also do their own beeswax, which is absolutely beautiful. Look at this. Oh my goodness, it is so gorgeous. I can't wait to use that. And then the thing that I never heard of before. It's always fun. Raw honey. Raw honey. I had no idea what that is. It looks like peanut butter or some sort of butter like that. So I had to go look it up. I'm still not sure I know really what it's for. So if you want to leave me some comments of how you use raw honey, it looks beautiful. Let's see, it's got a sealed label. I didn't open it yet. But tell me what this is for. Thank you, Sue. I love being able to try all these new things. Yes. So before we look at the sew sampler box and then these other things I have, I want to tell you that I've been featured in the Schmetz Needle newsletter. They did a special edition little newsletter for your favorite notions, and they asked about a dozen of us what our favorite notions are. And so here is a little, that's what the pages look like. So the link is below in the description box, and you go over and read through. It's really fun. I love the people at Schmetz Needles. They are my favorite and only needle I use. I just love them, and they are so knowledgeable. Okay. All right, let's look at the sew sampler box. I did not peek. I did open it, but I did not peek because I never peek because, you know, it's more fun not to. So let's come down here. Got a little space here. Okay. There we go. Ta-da! They have a theme called Dream Big. This is the October box. They already did a reveal. And then you always get a, oh, this is a good coupon this time. The back side here has a coupon code, and that's a good one. So they give you some fabric and always like a little thing that tells you what all the products are. I always seem to like to try to figure it out myself, which, as you know, sometimes I'm totally way off base as to what something's supposed to be used for, but we try anyways. So we sent some Riley Blake fabric called Whimsical Remembrance. That looks pretty. Okay, I gotta look at it. That looks really pretty. So this is a layer cake that they roll up, you know, so they can go in the box. And wow, We just got to open it up real quick here. Oh, and a rubber band. Okay. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at this blue. It's like a nice dusty blue with these pinks and golds. I'm just loving gold. So, oh, really nice. And some word text. So this is what's called again? Whimsical Remembrance. Then it goes into some green family and aqua, like aqua green. Oh, that's pretty. Pink, the same main floral in pink. So I've got a pink tones. And burgundy. So what are the words? It seems to me that yet we sleep. Okay, this is probably like something famous again. So those of you who know, let me know what it is. I know a bank where the wild thyme blows. Okay, there sleeps Titania sometime of the night. Okay, so whoever knows what this is from, I think she's the last one that did something I didn't know it was famous. Okay, and on white, that's really pretty. Okay. There is this. And then we get a super cute little ruler. I love different size rulers. I seem to always use them. And we get a mini color wheel. Look at that. That is really cool. Now, most of these things you can find on the website. They're all linked below. Occasionally, there's something exclusive to the box. And here's a wooden seam wand. So this is for pressing your seams. Like if you're sitting here at the sewing machine, you don't want to get up, you could just press the seams. And then they send along a free pattern, which is exclusive to the box. And that is using this gorgeous fabric. So let me move that. So there we go. So that's using this fabric, which that's really pretty. I really like that quilt. It's a little bit different. It's asymmetrical, which I love. Okay, so let me just put this back in here for now. And we'll look at some other things I have going on. Because, you know, there's just, I'm doing this sort of, I don't know, sometimes I think my brain is like, I've got it's just like in chaos. It's like all over the place. But that's fun. But it's a little bit nutty at the moment. I seem to have too many like little things going on. So like in between things, that's what they are. So these are the square and the squares that I'm doing for the Fall Frolic setting. So I've got this many done and I have this many left to do. So that's going along quite well. Let me just put that one over there. Now I did show you the postage stamp that I had done, the one block where it was no pink with it. And then I said I was going to try making one with the pink, see if I liked it like that, and I do, I love it. But what I found is that I was not religious about pressing to the correct side. Like I decided to press everything to the pink side. That way they will nestle properly. So this one I did a little bit of a struggle with, and then I went back and I took the rest of the parts for all of these and pressed them all to the pink side. So now we are happy camper and we can go ahead and subcut all of these to get the more postage stamp blocks. So that is a good thing because I was a bit not doing it right. I was like, and I should have just stopped and gone and pressed them all, but no, I made the whole block. Then I decided, now that was a struggle, so I'm not going to do that again. And I did get my wreath top done. I'm going to show it to you another day, but I started to do the small one, which Bev has in her pattern as like a pillow. Yeah, here it is. She has the small one as a pillow, but I'm going to do it as a wall hanging because it will fit on my door. It'll fit on my front door. And I'm going to do two because I'm going to give one to my dad's wife. Well, my dad and his wife. So I have on the far side up there, you can see the one wreath. And here's the other one. This is theirs because they're very traditional. Like it needs to be all red and green because I don't think blue in there or aqua would really do it for them. So I'm gonna have the Bev's border around it, and then mine might have an extra border. I might do an extra border for theirs too. We'll see. Because my door could handle something just a teeny bit bigger than that. Which I was thrilled by that. I didn't know that it could. I was thinking it had to be smaller. Some of the surprises. So I sewed all of those crumbs together. And I got this much from what I was just doing from the wreaths. These are all the wreath fabric. I thought, okay. I also had saved off these pieces cut from the corners when you're putting the border on, these pieces, and there's 8 of them, so it'd make 2 of these blocks. And then all of a sudden I went, ah, because I got the other one up on the wall. See it next to the wreath up there? All of a sudden I went like, ah, this can go in the middle of one of them. Isn't that good? I like that. So now I'm going to look and see if I had enough scraps to do a second one from the wreaths to make the other one and plus I still have to do the borders on these, so I'll generate a bit more. But this made me so happy. I was like, this is so much fun. So like, there you go. So I got that where I'm going to be able to use it. It's the little things. Well, actually, sometimes they feel like big things. Okay, my cross stitch for October got done October 31st. Yes, I got it done that evening, all the way to the owl. So there you can see the whole thing as of right now. And what I have is for my plan, whoops, wrong end. My plan is to get both of the boxes done, the aqua boxes done, and then take this stardust out past all the blocks because I have to do an adjustment in here. I need to shorten a section of it. So I'm going to do the green part of the stardust, just do that jaggy line out to the corner of the second box. And this month is, believe it or not, oh, I know, it's so surprising that, whoops, I'm losing my needle. I gotta stick it in here. It's a turkey. There we go. So we have a turkey and a moose. I am like undecided on the moose for December. Undecided. We will see. I may have to find something besides a moose for December. I'm kind of not, I mean, I like moose, but it isn't like something I think about for December. So I might need to have some holly or candy canes and holly. That's what I'm thinking. Okay, and my crochet, here we go. I am almost done with the first ball. Whoops, there's the crochet hook. So I have, so there we go, you can see. I'm making a huge mess. Okay, the yard's falling on the floor. But I don't have that much more for the first ball. So then the second ball doesn't start at the correct color for the repeat. Like, it's either green, it's not the right color for the next color if I'm going to be doing it exactly like these are, but I think I'm not going to be doing exactly like these are. It'll just be whatever the next color is, and that will be fine. I will be okay with that. Okay, one more. I wanted to show you again the flapjack quilt because I had taken this out and did a few pictures of it in town. And so I'm going to hold it up. This is going to go to my niece. Here is the flapjack quilt. But I have a few pictures I took that I'll put up here you know, just for fun, because they were in my town, and I don't think I ever really showed you these guys. So I have my tidy up this afternoon. Yeah, that'll be it, this afternoon, after I do the other project, which I need to do lickety split, because I would just like to devote a little bit, you know, a couple hours this afternoon to doing the tidy up. And over the next few days, I have a couple other projects that need to totally be locked in. And then after that, I'm going to just sort of mess around with some of these loose end kind of projects and sort of try to finish them up, like you know, get these for the border and then cut the stuff for the border, that kind of a thing. You know, they just sort of start hanging around and multiplying. How does that happen? Okay, my friend, I love you. Mwah. See you online.